Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, May 14, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, May 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 14, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, May 14, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 67.5 million pesos for May 14, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, May 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.